Sarah will have sent you a link that takes you to this area. You will be asked for a password first, because we don't want every Tom, Dick and Harry seeing what we're up to. So enter that password and you should be presented with this screen. All the workshops ultimately will be available here. I've got most of them there already, and what you'll need to do is select one. Let's take the first one, and then just underneath where you've clicked there is, you can see how my mouse is changing, view media. So you'll click on that and then play. Now it's very important that you read the instructions that come up. Now, in the normal workshop document, the PDF file that most of you will have, you'll be able to click on the link immediately to go to a video. But in this area where I'm walking through the documents, you need to wait until the links are highlighted like this. So I can watch this video now. Okay, I'll pause that and go back. And as I walk through the document, I do it at a reasonably slow pace. That's mainly for the sake of these links. I need to give you enough time to actually click on the link. And when the link is no longer highlighted, you won't be able to click on it, like so. And I'll carry on walking through the document. And that was really the main point of this, was to show you that the videos walk through the document, but if you want to click on a link, you have to wait until that link is highlighted. Let me fast forward. And I hope this helps some of you.